Good morning children. Welcome back again. Children, in the previous tutorial, I have explained you about the components of MS Word 2007. Now children, in this tutorial, in this practical, I will explain you how to create a new document, typing the text, how to save a document, how to close a document, how to open a document, exiting from MS Word and printing a document. Children, in the previous tutorial I have explained you about Office button. Children, on clicking the Office button, a menu appears which we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file and perform other tasks. Children, all these options are present in the Office button. Now children, I will explain all these options, all these points with the help of practical. Now children, let us start the practical. Yes children, your first topic is creating a new document. Children, this is your old file and you want to create a new file. You want to create a new document. So children, what you have to do, you have to click on Office button. Children, this is your Office button. So you have to click it here. Bring the mouse pointer here and click it here. Then select new option from here. This is your new option. Click it here. When you will click on new option, the new document dialog box will come. This is your new dialog box, this one. Here, this is your blank document. You have to select the blank document option from the blank and recent section and then click on create button. Click it here and then click on create button. This is your create button, this one. When you will click on create button, the new document opens. Look here children, this is your new document. This is the function of creating a new document. Your second topic is typing the text. Now children, you have to type the text. One thing remember children, this is your ruler line. This is your ruler line and you have to type the text within this line. So children, look here, I am typing the text here. Now children, I have typed the text here. Okay. Children, you will find that when you will type the text, your cursor will automatically shift to the next line. And if you want to start any text from the next line, you have to press the enter key. Like this children, I have not pressed the enter key. Okay. So the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. And when you will press the enter key like this, I am pressing the enter key, the cursor will come on the next line. This is the function of typing the text. Children, your next topic is saving a document. Children, to save your text in the form of a file, in the form of a document, what you have to do, you have to click on the save button on the quick access toolbar. Look here children, this is your quick access toolbar, this one. I'm bringing the mouse pointer here, this one. This is your save option. Click it here. The save as dialog box will open. This is your save as dialog box. And children, you have to type the file name here. Now I am typing the file name here. Children, I have typed the name book here. This is your file name. Book is your file name. Then go on save option here. Click it on save option. Now what you will see, your file name will come here, book. Children, there are two options to save your file. The first option is that you have to go on quick access toolbar and then click on the save button here. And the second option is that you have to click on the office button. This is your office button children. Click it here and then go on save option and then define the file name here and click on save. There are two options. First you have to go on quick access toolbar, or you can save your file with the while clicking on the office button. Next is your children closing a document. Children, you want to close your file, you want to close your document. Then again you have to click on the office button. Click it here and select the close option. Children, this is your close option. You have to click it here. Now your file is closed. Your document is closed. This is the function of closing a document. Now children, next is opening a document. Children, to open your document, select open option from the office button. This is your open option. Click it here. Your open dialog box will appear. This is your open dialog box children. Now select the document by clicking on its name. I am selecting the document here. This one. Your file name is books. Click it here and then click on the open option. Your file will come here. Your document will open here. This is the function of opening a document. Next is your exiting MS Word. You have to exit from MS Word. Then children, again you have to click on the office button. I am clicking on the office button. Now select the exit Word button. Children, this is your exit Word. Here you have to select it here, exit Word. Click it here. Now what you have seen, that you have exit from MS Word. Children, you can also exit the MS Word application by clicking on the close button on the title bar also. And the shortcut key to close the Word application is Alt plus F4. This is the function of exiting from MS Word. Next is children, printing a document. Children, you want to print your text in the form of file. this text you want to print on a paper. Then again go on office button, click it here, and there is an option, print option will come here. Click on the print button. On clicking it, print dialog box will appear. This is your print dialog box. Children, in print dialog box there are some options, that is number of copies, how many copies you want to print. You want to print, suppose there are 5 pages here and number 4 page is open here. That number 4 page is your current page. You want to print current page or you want to print all the 5 pages. You have to define, click it on all. And if you want only suppose 2 or 3 pages to be print, then click it on pages and define the number here. After completing this procedure, click on the OK button. Your document will be printed. Children, the shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl plus P. You can also use Ctrl plus P key to print your document. This is the function of printing a document. Children, in the next practical, I will explain you about the functions of home menu like cut, copy, paste, bold, italic, underline, and also many other functions. Thank you, children.